Once upon a time, there lived a me within myself, to whom the graceful, melodic, and rhythmic beats delivered by my own heart during each contraction and dilation in such a tempo which is accurate even up to the third or fourth fraction of a microsecond was the best music I've ever heard in my entire life. Which beats even the best orchestra in this world performing under the guidance of any of those fucking Mozarts or Beethovens out there. But things changed all at once when these electronic beats started dominating my eardrums over here.
Thanks for all you've done. I've missed you for so long. I can't believe you're gone.
When you're gonna start breaking my heart?
Gotta get that boom, boom, boom. Gotta get wow, the way you make good for a nasty chick. I spend my time just thinking.
Slim is fucking in heaven.
Turn to ash so slow.
Memories regretted.
I always wanted to be a filmmaker, but ended up being a sailor. All I wanted to do was arts. What I'm doing here is art with an F before it. Life is a bitch.